have also reconstructed the alleged sequence of events leading to Ketan's death. Investigators say that after finalizing the plan on June 17, Sia Goel took Ketan to Lohagarh Fort on June 18, where Chetan was allegedly already present. Police further claim that while Sia and Ketan were at a secluded spot, Chetan allegedly attacked Ketan with an object and pushed him into a gorge. Alright, Shweta, this is what we are picking up about how they might have pushed Ketan to death. But how are the families of Sia and Chetan reacting to the death of Ketan?
Oh, well, that's right. In fact, while police were quietly moving ahead with their investigation, now they have also said that how did actually Sia and Ketan had taken Sia and Chetan, I beg your pardon, they had taken Ketan to Lohagarh Fort, where Chetan Chaudhary was already present, while Sia and Ketan were gazing at the mountain from a secluded spot. Remember, Chetan attacked Ketan with an object and pushed him into the gorge. Now, this is been a part of investigation where the police has come up with this. Remember, initially it was Sia who stated that Ketan had fallen off from a cliff while there was strong wind, and this is how his legs slipped and he had fallen into 400 feet deep gorge. But here the truth is something else. The truth is ugly and unfortunate that Sia and her friend Chetan together had pushed Ketan so that he dies, and their path from there begins, and it becomes clear. But clearly, Pune police acting on the investigation, and they have seen something suspicious, unusual, and hence quietly they were proceeding with their investigation. And the truth is out, but it will be more important to see what other factors and what other facts do come out in this ugly case.
Absolutely. Shweta, for now, thank you very much for joining us on this. And now, viewers, we shift our focus to news coming in from Manipur. Now, Manipur police have